What's going on, everyone? This right here is the Sony A6000. I just bought this camera for $581 and we're going to unbox it. So let's take a quick look around the box. All you're going to be getting here is the camera itself and the battery. We'll see, but you're not going to be getting all these things. So. Alright, let's dig in. So the first thing we'll be presented with is the manuals and something about a card. Next up is there's a power adapter that looks like this. It's got the Sony name on it. There's a battery. This is a 1020 milliamp battery. And then over here we have a micro USB data transfer cable, and you're also going to be using this to charge your battery. There's also an eyepiece, a strap. It's got the A. Is that an X? It looks like an AX. And then the camera itself. There we go. It's a great looking camera, as you can probably tell. It's a very compact camera. It feels solid. Over here, these are things that's making the noise. That's where you put the strap in here. And then we got the screen right here. This is an OLED display, which flips like this, but it doesn't flip all the way. So people who want to vlog, it's gonna suck for you. And then over here we have the power button. Well, it's not a power button, it's a switch. So you can switch back and forth. Over here, you can scroll through all of the options, different modes. We got the flash button right over here. You press it, the flash is gonna come out. There's the menu. That's where you look through the viewfinder. And you can see all the other buttons over here. There's a shoe mount, so you can put another external flash or a display, whatever you'd like. And over here we have the 16 by 50 millimeter lens over here. It's a nice looking lens. It's small, so that's always a plus. And then pressing this right here, if you can see that, we can disengage and take out the lens. So right here, this is the APS-C CMOS sensor, and that's what it's looking like. This is a 24.3 megapixel camera. As you can see, it says it right over here. Now to put the lens back in, all we're gonna have to do is, if you can see this, where is it? White dot over here. We're gonna align it with the white dot over here. So it goes in like this, and you just twist it. Now we're ready to take some photos. Over here, this is the compartment where you would put your the battery in. It goes in like this. It goes in like that. And then right over here, there's the SD card slot. So the camera feels nice. Over here, we have a rubber grip. Very easy to grip. I can just turn it on with one hand. I like the compactness of this camera. I can just point and shoot using just one hand. Oh, it turned on. There's a little battery. So here's a little action for you. And then there's also where you would connect it to the tripod. This right here is made out of aluminum. This is made out of rubber. The screen's covered with, feels like plastic. And that's pretty much a quick look of the Sony A6000 in 2019. If you have any questions, let me know so I can make a full review of this camera and answer it there. I have made a quick review of this camera already, so I'll leave the link to that in the description box. But the next video I want to do is a video test and a photo test. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching. So I'll see you next time. Peace.